Is it? I don't know if. Oh yeah, this is gonna hurt some people's feelings, but you should not be making $15 an hour unless you're 15 years old, bro. You should be educating yourself. You should be educating your mind, body, and soul, so you don't have to compete for $15 an hour. Do you know how much $15 an hour is? Full time, bro. That's not even $400 a week. It might be $400 a week. That's not enough. You really want to be making less than $3,000 a month? $100 a day? You're worth more than that. You're worth much more than that. You don't need to be making the same amount of money as somebody with no qualifications and no education. And no, what's up, Sea Soul Boy? Back at it again, man. You don't need to be making the same amount of money as somebody with no experience in life. That's dumb. Okay? Get your education, get qualified, man.